I'm sure I'll be coming here regularly from now on. Yeah.
Is Ishwan, and he has been to the chiropractors before also.
Yep.
And in United States, right now he is in India. He got one session.
Adjusted, I thought that I have a stiff neck, so I thought I need my body adjusted. So I came here, talked to Dr. Salman, and he suggested me that my body is aligned all good, and he suggested that I had some stiffness, so he got me a deep tissue massage with Dr. Kulwan, and that's one of the best deep tissue massages I ever had. It's very professional, with which included scraping, cupping, and working on my knots, pressure points, and everything. And now everything has been free, and I'm glad I had.
Pain reduced.
Oh, pain? Like my body is completely free.
Okay.
I think I need to give a little bit of rest after this massage. We'll see how it goes, because if you
How
cannot.
about the moment?
Yeah, movement is
Moment
perfectly
is-
all right. Yeah, I feel loosened up a lot. Completely loosened up. So I'm sure I'll be coming here regularly from now on. Yeah. Body adjusted and massaged regularly. So yeah, I feel that chiropractic sessions and deep massage sessions are like preventive medicine rather than, corrective. So people need to come here regularly to avoid, serious injuries.